through how to add a profile page and a reward store into Teachable. First, log into Pointagram and go to Settings in the left bottom corner. Go to your installed Teachable app and then press Edit. Then go to the Code Snippet tab and select Profile Page and turn on the switch to include integration secrets, then copy the code. Then head back to Teachable and create a custom page. Then add an HTML block and paste in the code. That's it. Now you can add your profile page anywhere in Teachable, even in the header if you wish. If you wish to hide certain tabs, it's possible to do that from Settings and User View. Also, if you want to change some minor colors on your profile page, that can be done from Settings and Colors as well. The process for adding the reward store is the same. Just create a new custom page, add an HTML block, and add the code snippet for the reward store, and you're done. Make sure to watch our videos specifically on the reward store and how to add a coin and connect it to the reward store and how to add reward store items.